Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the place where we fix stuff, any kind of stuff that's no longer working. And my goal is to fix this with a minimum requirement, okay? Something around $2 or $3. As you can see, we have a expensive looking headset today. So the cable is damaged very badly and it's no longer working. This side of the cable is quite hard to bend, but the other side, where the USB plugs in, it's quite fine. It's soft and bendy, everything is okay on this side. So I think they make this on purpose, so the headset just breaks after a couple while and you have to pay again to buy another one. Enough of me yapping, let's go fix this. Leave this side where there is no wires. We are going to work with this side. I'm just going to pull this spongy thing and it just pops out. So next I'm going to remove this wire because I'm going to replace it anyway. There are some screws I'm going to open with my screwdriver. So I have accessed the main board and I'm going to remove those two screws over there. Okay, let's see what we got underneath. If you are following step by step, attention please. Before you start cutting these wires, take a photo of them so you can remember the colors and the placements. Well, bad news guys. I couldn't find the replacement wires online, so I'm going to use this same wire again, but with the simple change. I'm going to cut the wires from the middle and switch the hard and soft places, so whenever the user just shakes his head constantly, the wire don't break again. So let's make a cut here. And I'm just going to connect this hard part to this one and the soft part goes to the headset. So take a blade and start opening the shell. Be careful not to cut too deep so you don't damage the wires. Okay, now I'm going to add a bit of flux to the tip of the wires so I can solder easily. Stop shaking hand. Okay, all done. Now just do this for the other two. Okay, now I'm going to add this big heat shield to the cable, so when we're done it looks clean. And of course small heat shields for every individual wire. Okay, now I'm going to solder the hard part of the cable wires to the USB side. So I'm going to solder the wires now. Remember to match the colors. Okay, now let's just pull these shields to the soldering part where we just soldered. Okay, USB side is done. Now we are going to the headset part. Okay, now make a knot before you solder the cable. Okay, now red to the red, yellow to the yellow, white to the white, black to black, and for the last, the ground. Okay, all done. Now let's just put them together. Okay, now this knot that we just made will prevent the wire from stretching and disconnecting. Everything looks fine now. Be careful about this small wire coming from the top of the headset. Okay, before we completely close this headset, let's just first test it, see if it's working.
اوکی شد این ورش هم الان دیگه نرمه، به این راحتی ها کنده نمیشه و کار ما اینجا تمومه، فقط باید ببندیمش. بچه این هدست خیلی صدای فوق.
Okay, another headset came back to life. If you had any problem with your work fixing your headset or anything, just contact me and have a good day. Thank you for watching.